Hello pop-uppers, this is Chacha. Welcome to the Pop-Up Gallery. For today's video, we're going to take a look at the pop-up cards that we made in the year 2025. Lately, I have been very busy with many things, and I just want to get some inspiration and motivation from these pop-up cards. Let's start with the smaller ones. This one is nice. You can design it upside down, whichever you want. Oh, my cat! I love this. Looks simple yet complicated. Oh, this one is interesting. You can put messages back to back and another message in the middle, combining the three flaps. This one is just a flower greeting card. But oh, there's a tiny pop-up flower here below. It's cute. This one is also magical. I love this mechanism very much, the twist mechanism. It may look complicated, but actually, the steps and the measurements are not that difficult. It's just easy to make, really. Maybe the hard part there is cutting the frames. I love Ladybug. You can also open this by pulling the tip of the mouth, just for smooth movement. This one is a friendship pop-up card. I love this too. Oh, my lovely baby is here. He likes to meet you guys. This pop-up card is for my lovely catty Momo. This is also twist mechanism. These balloons are really cute. This pop-up card looks just so simple, but I really love it because it's colorful and they really look 3D. Seems like little heads of happy people, right? Okay, the waves in the sea. Even just a simple V-fold mechanism can make the card look stunning, right? Just like this pop-up forest, this is also using V-fold mechanism. This pop-up card, the monkey in a banana tree, is also done with V-fold mechanism. It just looks more complicated, but actually the mechanism is just simple. The illustration, the drawings, however, perhaps are a bit complicated. And this one, this is nice. You can pull this down like this. And put it back on top. It's amazing, right? This one is the latest, the Sunflower pop-up card. And my another favorite, the colorful hot air balloon pop-up card. It's so cute. Okay, pop-uppers, so all of these are my collections of pop-up cards in the whole year 2025. Pop-uppers, let's make more pop-up cards this year 2026. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye!